Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to get the $1000 AWS Activate credits. So recently, if I show you, yesterday I got the credits from the AWS. So I just want to show you quickly. So this is my AWS, and here if I quickly show you the billing. So I just today get the $1000. Okay, so in this using the AWS Activate Founder program. So the start date is like today, like I get it today, 7/1/2026, and it will be available till 7/31/2028 for almost 2 years. Okay, now how you can avail that as well. So we're gonna talk about that and how you can get that. So it's really simple and quickly. Like, to get the $1000 AWS credits, first you have to prepare your company email address. Okay, and so you can see that recently I launched my startup called Auto AI Sorts. It's a AI faceless video generator which you can do under some seconds or minute. Okay, so this was my product and recently I launched this. So I wanted to avail the credits. So first of all, what I do, like, I go to the Google Workspace. So first you have to buy the domain. So no matter you what platform you are using, so you have to first bought the domain. So you should have any domain. Like, you can think about any startup. If you don't have any startup yet and you don't have any idea, you can think about any AI startups like AI calorie tracker, AI calorie tracker, any. You can just wipe code with just landing page for now as well. Landing page. Okay, you can just wipe code a landing page of any AI startup. Like, it could be a what you can it could be a AI calorie tracker, image generator, video generator, some sort of like that. Once you create the domain, once you land, deploy your landing page, after that you have to get the company email address. So how we can get the company email address? To get the email address, you can use a Zoho mail address. So the company email looks like gonna be like this: founder at the rate, I created my email like founder at the rate autoai sorts.com. You can create some sort of one company email address. So using the Google Workspace, I get it using the Google Workspace. So you can use Google Workspace or Zoho Mail or whatever you prefer, or you can use the Hostinger as well if you wanted to use. Perfect. Now what are the things? Like, the first, get the first thing is that startup idea, then land, and then domain. You can get the domain, and while purchasing the domain, you can also get the email as well. Like, if you're using Hostinger or GoDaddy, you can get the emails as well. Okay, now once you get the domain, emails, landing page, you can make it just landing page with any like free tools like anti-gravity or vibe code, like any pet lovable. You can just build a landing page which solves the problem. Once you're done with that, what you have to do, you have to go to the this one, AWS for startup. Okay, now here once you click on this AWS amazon.com/startup, so here you can see build your startup on AWS, the majority of 100 startups, and you will get the credits. So for that, first of all, you have to access the Activate. Like, if you don't have an account here, you have to access the Activate. Also, please make sure to create your AWS console account as well. Okay, so first you have to prepare a company email address, then go to the AWS Activate, open AWS Activate /startup/credits. After that, create AWS builder ID. Okay, so there's another thing, there's a two things. There's a first thing called console account and the builder ID. So you have to create a builder ID as well along with the console. After that, you have to choose the package as a founder. Okay, and after that you have to enter the product details of product info. How you can get that product info? To get the product info, just copy this form, paste over ChatGPT, tell him about your product. It will give you some instructions, so you can just copy and paste. After that, you have to link your AWS account. Okay, and submit application. Also, just a heads up, like, if you have a account with the normal account, so please migrate to the official, like, with a company email address, and it will get approved in a couple of days. Like, for me, like, it's what approved, I apply on the Monday or maybe on Saturday, and it's get approved on this Sunday. Okay, now how we can do that, let's quickly talk about that. You have to click on access Activate. Now sign up with AWS builder ID, or you can just, first you have to go to this link, AWS Amazon/startups. Okay, or you can just search on the browser like AWS startups, AWS startups. Okay, now once you search, you will navigate to this website, AWS Activate for startups. Click on join now. Once you click on join now, if you don't have any account, sign up with AWS builder ID. You can just create an account, sign up with AWS builder ID, and or if you have already account, you can just do a login. So I have already an account, so I can just do a login. You can see I'm logged now. Now go to the home page again, or okay, let's click on AWS Credits. Now click on this apply for AWS Activate Credits. Okay, the website is loading. Now you have to click on Founders Diary. Okay, and then click on Save and Continue. Once you done with this save and continue, you have to fill this all the information. So I had already filled those all the information. Like you can choose the founders and title. This is my LinkedIn, and this is how long I've been using. What are the top 3 ways? So you can put acquiring early customer, building scalable architectures, choosing the right technology. What AWS topic would you like to follow? So these are the pre-filled data which I filled right now for the review. So AI, machine learning, AWS cost management, security, serverless, video streaming. Then which AWS service you would like to learn more about this? So I had implemented Amazon API Gateway, Amazon Bedrock, Cloud, those are all the things. And there's my emails, like there's my personal information, and let me fill it up. Okay, this is optional, so you can just put the founder's first name, founder last name, email address, founder's role, what type of customer you primarily use. So I just selected like Android, App Store, those all the things. If you have just web, so just to go with the web, or then you have to put the your startup link. So for me, I put that, and then we have a startup public URL. So I don't have a public URL, so I had paste my LinkedIn. After that, when was your startup founded? So my startup was founded in last year. So you can put any data, and number of employees, like it was me only. And then we have to click on save and continue. Now after that, you have to describe your product and funding. So you can just describe the product and funding. So for me, like it's a consumer product, and we are in the you have to select editing and building initial launch. Okay, then you have to select like how will customer interact with the product. Like it's going to be web browser. Does your product use AI ML technology? Yes, or you can choose any. What are you building? You can talk about that. Whatever you are building in less than 250 character. Planning to product any launch date? Future? No. What is your most recent funding? So if you have not get any funding yet, so you can just select no funding so far, and you will good to go. And you have to click on save and continue. And the next thing that you have to choose the AWS account, and after once you fill this form, you will get the AWS credits in your account. And if you're facing any challenges of not availing this, okay, just a heads up, like if you wanted to avail the $5,000 credits, so to get that you can get the DPTI certificate, and there you can get that 5,000. Okay, and this is me, a full stack developer. If you need any help or guidance on this, you can book a consulting call with me. I can help with this. Okay, and this is my startup. Please feel free to check it out, and let me know if you have any comments on this. And already we are making money with this, and recently we had we got $1,000. So I thought let's share with my team. So yeah, that's all pretty much. Thank you guys, and let me know if you have any comments. Thank you. Bye.